तुम्ही एक गजाल अशी म्हणली की एज अ एल.ओ.पी. तुम्ही कॉर्डिनेट करता ऑपोजिशन आमेला भितर, पूण आयज आमी पळयता की विरेश आनी जे विजय सरदेसाय जे असेंब्ली टायमार सामके फॉर्मान दिसता ते आयज ह्या एल.ओ.पीच्या मिटिंगेक ना. सो कितें रिजन?
No, see, as you know, my role is to coordinate. I do not want to differentiate and create more. I know you want something spicy, but it is the last that you'll get a spicy cup of mug from me at this junction today. The message had gone to everyone. The message was that we are going to discuss the upcoming session and whether a particular political party has come or a political party has not come. I believe, as Venzi has said, the legislative wing, we are 7 of us, we have in the past made sure that this administrative failed government should be put on the mat. So I don't have any personal ego, personal agenda in this. You can see the G Prata Ali after BSc we have met and we have.
ना एक इशू कितें जालो की फाटीं जेन्ना तिसवाडीन संविधान बचाव जी तुमची मिटींग जाली तितून खंय अशें जालें की विजयाक अशें म्हणलें गेलें की बानावयलो दलाल हो वर्ड आयलो म्हणून खंय तरी तो बेजार आसा म्हणून अशें कळटा.
I have not taken any personal names. You are taking that personal name. As I said, you want a spicy cup of spicy mug. You will not get it from me. And this is not what Goa wants. I have not taken any. You are taking it that तुक समज लागता that तुवें लावन घेचें. तुक लागता. हांवें म्हणजे नांव गेल्लें कोणालें.
ना पूण हो तुमी म्हणलो आनी ते पयलीं ते एका म्हणटाले तशें विजयाक म्हणून.
तें पयलीं म्हाका खबर ना.
विजयान स्टेटमेंट हो दिला की बीएससी मिटींग स्पिकरान घेतली तशी वावर काडपाची मिटींग आतां ऑपोजिशन लिडर घेता म्हणून अशें वावर काडपाचो तेणी हे केलो वर्ड यूज केलो.
I very clear. BSc meeting I'll give you the date. 12th March BSc जाल्ली. सेशन आहलें 24, 25, 26. आमी मेळ्ळे 21 मार्चाक इन द लास्ट सेशन. तोय वावर करपा आहलो मिटिंगेक. ती मिटींग वावर करपा आहली. हू वर प्रेझेंट इन दॅट मिटींग? यू yourself know. So let me not technically I am quite sound. You understand, no? So let's not get into it. The thing is we have to basically unite in the interest of the state. Let us all the 7 of us unite. Also, what Venzi has said, taking that one step further, the legislative wing, together we fight for the state. And I believe that the suggestion that he has given has to be worked on, where all of us come together to defeat the BJP in 2027.
United opposition are together.
See, opposition have no choice. You either support the ruling or you be in the opposition. मोद कित थर्ड एम्पायर राउंड कित करून सोदिता.
बट तुमच्यांनी इन्वायट केलें तेंकां दोगांकूय विरेशाक आनी विजय सरदेसाय आयज केल्ले आयज आफयल्ले बीन.
युरे तुम्ही म्हणतात की आम्ही